Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to embed a video in Canva in just a few simple steps. If you are searching to embed a video in Canva from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or any other platform, you come to the right place. But before we jump into it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I've also added some useful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them. Alright, let's get started. To embed a video in Canva, first of all, open the Canva app on your computer or go to the Canva website. Once you're on Canva, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, on the home page, click on the Create a Design button and choose your preferred design type. You can also choose any of your existing designs. I am going to embed a YouTube video here in this design. Now, to add an embedded video to your design, click on Apps from the left sidebar menu. You will see this type of screen. At the top, you will see a search box. Type Embed in the search bar and hit Enter. Here you will see different apps. Among these, find and click on the Embed app. Now, you'll see a field asking you to paste a link. Go to YouTube, Vimeo, or another supported platform and copy the video link you want to embed. You can also embed videos from Instagram, Facebook, and other platforms. I have already copied a YouTube video. Now, paste the video link that you have copied into this box. I paste a YouTube video link here. Once you paste the link, click on the Add to Design button. The video will now appear on your Canva design. You can resize, move, or position the video anywhere in your design. If you download the file as a PDF or image, the video won't play, but if you share it as a Canva link or website, the video will remain interactive like this.